Hello everyone. I hope you're doing great. Today I wanted to show you something. A few days back, I posted a video on how to do financial modeling for free, and how to learn the basics and to go ahead and do the advanced stuff in financial modeling. But a lot of people ask me, why don't you tell us a step-by-step guide as to how to do it? We are still not sure how to go about accessing the free course, and where have you created it. So this is a video for that, and I'm going to give you a step by step guide as to how you can access your course online and take it for totally free of cost. You don't have to pay anything, and you can keep it in your account for as many number of days, and you can do it as per your convenience. And I'll make you check out the website, how to go about registering on the website, how to access your free course, and also a lot of other courses that we do on website, which are a little advanced. Once you complete your basics free course, you could go for the advanced course where you really get into the detail of financial modeling. So I'm making this video just to give you that tutorial as to how to go about doing it. But before I dive into how to access the course, how to register yourself, I want to share that financial modeling is a very important kind of a component in deal making or in equity research, wherever, and in corporate finance as well. So finance professionals across the board need financial modeling to project what the company is going to do. And projections are needed for various purposes. You may need to do a valuation of a company, you need the projections. You may need to go for a IPO, and you're putting the projections in the DRHP document. You're going for a private equity deal, and you're putting the projections in the financial model to derive the valuation of the company and to strike the deal. For equity research, you need a model of the company to really start initiating coverage on a particular stock, or to continue covering that stock. So altogether, it's an important area of finance, and one needs to master it to really work hard and do well within the finance domain. So be you may be someone entering the field, or you may be a veteran, or you may be somewhere in between, but this is a skill that will help you somewhere down the line. So I'll quickly take you through how to go about registering, and I hope you can see this. And I'm going to the school's website. The school is called Bay Street School. So Bay Street School, yeah, it comes automatically. Yeah, this is the school. And go to the courses. So the focus of the school is, I will just first of all tell you, financial modeling, GMAT, IELTS, CFA. I have only helped them make the financial modeling part, and but the focus is on GMAT, IELTS, and CFA as well. They have qualified professionals for teaching all these subjects, and this is the kind of a brief overview of what they do, and how this is better. Like digital education, everybody knows today, in these times, that it's quite popular. These are the financial modeling courses, and I'm happy they are featured on the popular courses. And these are some of the reviews of the customers that they have felt really good making their first financial modeling. Some comments on me as a brilliant instructor. So I was really happy to get these first few reviews, where the students really supported it and made it a great course. And Yeah, this is basically, and this is where this school is, wherever they have their offices. But right now I am in Delhi, and I made their financial modeling course. So you go to courses. Within courses, this is the financial modeling free course, which is the course we are talking about, that you can get all your information, you can register there. And I'll leave a link to this website and to this course in the description of this video, so that you can access this. So you go to this free course. So this is the ultimate financial modeling course. This is basics, as you can see, financial modeling basics. And this is a bit about the instructor, it's a bit about me and what I have done in my career. But this is the course curriculum. This is what I want to focus on. So what are you going to learn in this course? I'm going to cover in the first video how do you make assumptions, what are the ground rules, how do you make revenue assumptions, how do you make cost assumptions, indirect cost assumptions, direct cost assumptions. Then there are closing comments. So this is covered in the basics course, and you can access this by clicking here free. You have to register, say I do this, sign up, I put anything here. You can put your email ID. Say I put my ID for the school, and then I create any password, and then I put any number here. You can put your mobile number, right? And I sign up. Oh sorry, I have already registered using this ID, so let me just put a random ID, right? So I have now successfully registered. I click on start. I will verify. So this is something that I'll not be able to do here because it's a random email. I would have received a code in my kind of mailbox. I would click on that. I would enter that code here, and then that would really start my course. So that's the basic. If you had put in the right email ID, if I had put in the right email ID, I would have shown you how it moves to the next screen where the course starts. Now this is about the basics course, right? I want to tell you a little bit about what else we do. This is, as you can see, this covers quite a bit of the basic ground of financial modeling, and it comes free of cost. And then we have other courses. This is the full course. So this, along with creating your assumptions, this helps you create your first P&L, first balance sheet, first cash flow statement. And the school here where I have posted this course keeps running promotions and discounts. So right now they've priced it at 1850, but they keep running discounts on this course as well. And if there are no say discounts running on this website, I would want you to take advantage of the same course on a different platform. Say you are getting this course for 1850 here, and you don't want to spend that much in case, then you can also go to Udemy, and you can search for me there. This is my profile, so I will not be here. You can just search for me there, and you might get me. I don't know, I have never done this before. Yeah, so here it's the same course. It's available for $420 right now, but Udemy also prices, I am already registered in this course, so it has just started the course. But this is the course, and this is how I take it. I'll run this introduction for you so that you get a hang of what the course is all about, and you can do this course easily here, and this helps a lot in terms of developing the skill of financial modeling. I've got really rave reviews from about a number of students have taken this course on Udemy, and as you could see back in my profile, I was reviewed quite well. It was reviewed well, and I have a good 4.3 review with 17 people reviewing it. So number of takers are much more than that of the course. And as you can see, it's $420. It's also a discounted model. The pricing keeps fluctuating, so if they are not running a discount, then you may not get a discount here as well. But both Bay Street School and Udemy run discounts, and my free course is also available here. You can take it here, and a lot of people have taken it. I think more than 2,000 3,000 people have already taken it. So if you click there, I'll let you go through the intro so that you have a good idea of what this is all about.
Hi, welcome to the course, and I'm glad that you've joined this course. And over the course of next few lectures, I'm going to make you an expert in financial modeling, and you'll realize that at the end of the day, it's all common sense, and you'll be able to develop great financial models in no time. First of all, when we begin, I want to tell you the most important component of a financial model are basically the inputs you take or the assumptions you take to build the financial model. So this is a section we are going to focus on assumptions, the inputs, how to make them in particular in a financial model so you can change them again and again to run various scenarios. So let's dive right in and learn about how to build inputs or assumptions. Hi.
So I keep coming in, after every lecture, which is on an Excel sheet, and I'm demonstrating everything, and it's a practical course. You got to make your own model along with, the guy making it, which is me. So it's a practical course. I actually make you make a model in this time, and I make it myself alongside, and I keep coming in between, to prep you up and to boost your confidence and to congratulate on you on the achievements done so far and how great you are going throughout the journey of the course. So this is the course, and I told you two ways to do it. One is the Bay Street School. There you can access the free version, or you could access the free version on Udemy, and then you can take the full course once you have done the free version and you are totally inclined on doing financial modeling. You could take it from Bay Street School. They run weekly discounts. Udemy is always on discount most of the time, so you could do it on Udemy as well. It's totally up to you. I would leave a link of both the Udemy course and the Bay Street course, both the free versions and the paid versions, in the description, so that you can use them and you can really experience what financial modeling is all about. And one thing is for sure, that by end of this course, which is not more than 2 hours in total length, you may take more time because you're making an Excel sheet along it. You will be able to make any model, given the assumptions. So I think this is great. This is what some people were asking me. You're telling a lot about a free financial modeling course on YouTube, but I'm not able to follow a stepwise guide to access it. So now you have it, and I hope you can make use of it. And I look forward to see you in my classroom. And if you are liking what I'm producing as content, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll keep coming back to you with something more and something interesting. Thank you very much.